Hi, welcome to Law with Professor Anita. CLAT, the Common Law Admission Test, is the gateway to top national law universities in India for both UG 5-year law programs and PG LLM courses. And cracking it in one attempt is absolutely possible with the right roadmap, not random studying. The exam is passage based and tests reading ability, legal reasoning, logical reasoning, current affairs, English comprehension, and basic quantitative techniques. So, the first priority for every aspirant is to build a strong daily reading habit using quality sources like editorials, legal news, and analytical articles to improve speed and comprehension. Preparation should be divided into phases: foundation, skill building, and mock mastery, where the foundation phase focuses on vocabulary, basic legal concepts, arithmetic fundamentals, and current affairs modes. The skill phase emphasizes sectional practice and timed passages, and the final phase revolves around full length mocks and deep analysis. Mock tests are the biggest differentiator. Serious aspirants take at least 2 mocks per week and spend more time analyzing mistakes than attempting the paper, tracking accuracy, weak areas, and question selection strategy. For legal reasoning, focus on principal fact application rather than prior legal knowledge. For current affairs, prepare the last 12 months with legal developments and landmark judgments. For logical reasoning, practice argument, inference, and assumption questions daily. And for quant, masterclass 10 level data interpretation and percentages. Coaching centers can provide structure and quality mocks, but success ultimately depends on consistency, revision, and self analysis. A hybrid approach of guided material plus disciplined self study works best for most students. CLAT PG aspirants should prioritize bare arts, constitutional law, jurisprudence, and recent case laws with concept based MCQ practice. A smart daily routine includes reading, sectional practice, GK revision, and time drills, while a weekly plan must include mocks and performance review. Students who crack CLAT in one go are not necessarily the most intelligent, they are the most consistent, strategy driven, and revision focused. Follow a structured plan, measure progress every week, refine your test strategy, and stay committed. A top NLU is achievable with focused preparation and disciplined execution. Choosing the right coaching center can significantly improve your preparation if used correctly, but students must understand what coaching actually provides: structure, expert guidance, peer competition, and most importantly, high quality mock tests and performance analysis. Top national coaching brands like Legal Edge, Law Prep Tutorial, CLAT Possible, Career Launcher, IMS, and TAM, along with strong regional institutes in cities like Bengaluru, Delhi, Hyderabad, and Kolkata, offer classroom, hybrid, and fully online programs designed around the CLAT passage based pattern. A good coaching center should provide updated study material, regular sectional and full length mocks, detailed mock analysis, doubt clearing sessions, current affairs modules, and personalized mentorship, not just lectures. Students should attend demo classes before enrolling, compare mock quality rather than marketing claims, check batch size, and review past student results from the specific branch, not just national advertisements. However, coaching alone does not guarantee success. It works best when combined with disciplined self study, daily reading practice, and serious mock analysis. Many top rankers use a hybrid model: coaching for tests and strategy, and self study for daily execution, which is often the most effective and cost efficient path to cracking CLAT UG or PG in one attempt. Start your preparation with the right strategy, the right guidance, and consistent mock practice. Your NLU seat is achievable in your first attempt. Follow for more CLAT roadmaps, study plans, and expert preparation tips to stay ahead of the competition. Thank you for watching. If you found this useful, like, share, comment, and subscribe for more such content.